Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to be working on the truck, putting more turbo parts in. I did some progress off camera. I'll show you guys in a little bit. To talk about the audio on the last video, I did notice it was different while I was editing the video. And that's because, I'll show you guys. So the reason it was like that is because, as you guys see right here, the mic is facing forward on top of the camera. So this mic is really good at not picking up sounds behind the mic. So when I turn the camera like this, the opposite direction of me to film what is in front of me, you can barely hear me because it's trying not to pick up my voice. But it's really good when I face it this way and the mic is facing me. It's a little weird, but I think right now I don't have it connected, so this is just the mic from the camera. So I think I'm gonna do it like this for this video, see how it sounds, and I'll probably just get rid of that mic that I bought. So if you're interested, hit me up on Instagram, I'll sell it to you. It's a Rode Video Micro. I think it's better just like this for what I do. But yeah guys, anyways, some of the progress I done on the truck is, so right now I took off the timing cover to drill the holes on it for the turbo drains, because I could either do it on the oil pan or the timing cover, but I think I'm gonna do it on the timing cover. This is gonna work best for me. And then what I'm gonna do probably later is take off the headers. It's got V-bands on them on the bottom, so it should be pretty easy. Just take off the V-bands and then loosen them from the heads, and they should come off on both sides. You guys can see the V-clamps back. That's the V-bands back there. So just loosen those, take off the bolts from right here, and they should come off. And then we can go ahead and put the forward-facing turbo headers on both sides, and then mount the turbos. That way we can start doing like the lines for the drain, put the oil feeds and all that good stuff. So that's what I'm gonna be doing later today. Take off those headers, and then I gotta drill the holes on this for the drain. Looks like I had an oil leak somewhere, but I'm gonna drill them probably right here and then right here on this side, and then I'm welding these bunks right here. So I have to take it somewhere that they can weld aluminum, because I don't have a welder that can weld aluminum. Well, I do, but I don't have gas to weld aluminum. So I'm gonna drill it, get it ready for them to weld it, take it somewhere for them to weld. And that's my little welder right there. I only got flux core right now, that way I don't have to run gas. But I already welded something on one of the turbo housings. When I bought the turbos, the guy that had them on a Corvette, and since it's so tight on a Corvette, on one side he had the wastegate on the turbo housing, so it already had the hole for it. It's just that he cut it. This is the B-band that I just welded already, and I was gonna buy another one because I wasn't planning on putting the the wastegate on the turbo housing, but I didn't want to just spend more money. I was like, I'll just go ahead and weld it there too. So you guys can see I welded that yesterday, and that's with flux core. And I'm not saying I'm the best welder or anything. On the older turbo, I'm gonna weld the wastegate on the little elbow that I got that's gonna come off the header. I'll show you guys later on, and I'll show you guys how to weld it, and I gotta drill the hole for it and everything, but you'll guys see that later on. But that's that. Got the headers here. We'll probably install those today. So I think what I'm gonna get done first is drill the hole on the timing cover. That way we can get it ready to get these bunks welded. Alright guys, got the dot right on the edge. So let's go ahead and drill it. Turn it on. Easy peasy. Alright, so I just dropped off the timing cover there. They're gonna weld it for me. I'll probably pick them up tomorrow whenever they're ready. There's not really a rush for them, but for now we're gonna head back home, install the headers. If you guys need any performance stuff, hit up Jesse's Performance here in Haslett. They're really cool people. I've been following them on Instagram for a while. They actually have a YouTube channel and they make YouTube videos. They're pretty funny, but they're really cool people, so I brought it to them. They can weld it. Alright guys, we made it back home, so I'm gonna try to make some more progress on the truck. I'm probably gonna undo the V-bands on the bottom on both of the headers, and then once I undo those I can loosen all the bolts and they should come out after that. They are from Speed Engineering, forward facing headers. They were pretty cheap actually. Yeah, it does come with new header gaskets. And then I like how they come with the V-bands already. That's really nice. Comes with the sticker, comes with the V-bands. That's nice. Here they are. Really good quality. The welds are nice. All around. They're welded on the inside too. There's that side. This one had a bad exhaust leak right there. Yep. And this one's starting to crack right there with the, you can see right there, right where the O2 sensor goes right here. It's starting to crack. I'm gonna be putting these on my wife's truck, so stay tuned for that video. Alright guys, so the headers are out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on. This should be pretty simple since I don't have to get under the truck or pass them through the bottom. They're literally just gonna go facing forward, so I don't have to worry about them like if they fit through the frame or anything. They're literally just gonna go this way. So this should be pretty simple. Just put the gasket on and throw the new bolts that it comes with. Yeah, it comes with these new bolts right here. I'm gonna throw these on. So I'm gonna get that done. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put the driver's side header first. I already got my header gasket lined up with one bolt. So I'm gonna try to get it aligned and then screw it to the first hole. Alright, so that's headers on. Now I'm gonna put the other side on. Alright guys, so got the headers bolted down. They're still a little loose, but that's good for now. Just mocking it up right now. I already know what I have to do, kind of get these out of the way. I can either put them around this way and then around this way, or I can just put them this way. So I'll figure that later. And then here I just gotta either run this through here and put some heat wrap on it, or try to run it across this way, and then I gotta somehow zip tie this to up here, that way it doesn't touch on the header. But other than that, I think it should clear the steering rack. Yeah, it should be fine. This might be a little close for that, so we'll have to figure that out. Same on this side. We'll probably just put some heat wrap on the spark plug wires, make an improvement. And then I'll just put the elbow here and then the turbo. So, and I gotta get this out of the way. That way I'll have some room right here. So I have a 90-degree elbow. So it's gonna go this way. And then the turbo will be mounted right here. And then same on this side. Get this out of the way. Elbow going that way. And then the turbo right here. So I'll probably continue that tomorrow. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll be recording that. And then I'm gonna save these for my wife's truck, and then I got all the other stuff. This is the elbows I was telling you guys about. So this is the 90, and then it's got the, I think what it's called, the T4 flange for the turbos. So that's that, and then there's the oil feeds and all that, the wastegate. But making progress, and then tomorrow the timing cover should be ready, hopefully, and then we can slap that back on and then start running the oil drain lines. That's gonna be on the next video. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. See you guys on the next video.